there, welcome back to my studio. Today I'm gonna talk, sorry guys, but some people want me to talk, others may not, so I'm gonna do some talking and some not talking, so let's see. Today we're using DecoArt's Fluid Art Ready to Pour acrylic colors. I have some wonderful colors to share with you in the next few videos, and I want to tell you they have some 2021 new colors. Look at that, so pretty. If you go to DecoArt.com, you can find all the colors that they have on this media. They do have some neon colors and they have metallic colors and lots of beautiful colors, so go check it out. But today I'm using two of the new colors, which are Smokey Pink and Cay Green. We are also using Deep Teal. We are using the gold metallic, and the white. So I'm using an 8x16 canvas, 3 and 4/3/4 inch profile, and I'm gonna put some of these office pins on the back. I'm not gonna put tape, I don't mind the dirtiness on the back. It looks like it is an art and not something bought. And so let's get started. And I am gonna do 3 cups of 5 inches each because I don't want these paints are more into the thin size and I don't want to blend too much in the cup. And I'm gonna open 3 cups. I have used these paints in previous videos. I'm gonna link one of them at the top so that you can see. Okay, so I'm going to put them, I want 5 ounces of each color because I have 5 colors and I'm gonna make 3 cups of 5 ounces. So I'm gonna start with putting 5 ounces in here. This is a 7 ounces cup, and I'm just gonna put 5 ounces of this paint after I mix it well. I'm gonna put 5 ounces in here, and I'm gonna put 5 drops of the silicone. What I'm gonna do with the 3 colors, and I'm not gonna put any silicone on the gold or the white. Okay, so then 5 drops. And let me tell you, ooh, I think they're thicker than they were previously. Wow, I'm so happy to see that they are a tiny bit thicker than what they were at the beginning. Ooh, I am so happy that we're doing this. So we have 3 5 ounces cup to fill. Okay, so the first flip cup I'm gonna do like this. It's super full and it's escaping. Okay, hopefully I can do the others justice because my hands, you know, they're not too strong. Well, okay, that's okay. Do the other one. And let's leave it like that a little bit until it goes down. I really like the colors. Nothing has to be wasted, you know? Ooh, I wish you could see in here. Oops. In here. That is so pretty. See what we're gonna do. The color looks pretty. Okay. Wow. The torch ready. This is gonna be a lot of paint. It is looking so pretty, you know, guys, and it is so easy because there's no mixing. You just have to add the silicone and that's it. So let's start moving it. And you know, it's super liquid, so we'll have to try to, we don't want it to lose too much of the paint. Well, too much of the cells, I meant to say. Let's see. I have a corner catcher, which I'm gonna bring. This one. Wow, this is so gorgeous. Gorgeous, gorgeous, gorgeous. And not that much work. Now, I think the mixing is the hardest part. And getting the right consistency, it's always difficult. Okay. Wow, this is so pretty. This is super pretty, guys. Getting full of paint all over with paint. Well, I can see some of the gold in here. Should I torch again? I think I will. God, what do you think? I'm going to stop it from dripping. That's very important because especially these paints are super liquid, so more liquid than normal. The normal way that I do it. And this is a 12 ounces cup, so I'm gonna try not to fill it completely, but I want to use the remainder of the color. So I'm gonna start with the dark color. I'm not gonna leave it too much dropping because I don't want to all mix together like that. So I'm just going to open it fast. Wow, super pretty. That's it. So now we have to worry about composition. We have a lot of paint on top, but that's all right because we are gonna cover this with a cardboard box. Now I want to torch again. Okay, now once I torch again, I have to move, and I think I prefer what is happening in here, and I don't like that darkness in there in the bottom, so I'm gonna move it this way. But you know, I cannot move it only that way, because if I only do that, my cells are going to distort. Because I do like what is happening in there. And in here, they're only tiny, tiny, tiny things. So we can, and I don't know why those cells at the top are kind of wonky. So I may lose those too. Yeah, I like what is happening, that is bringing all that pink. And you know, you have to lose some. I don't want to lose all that pink in there. I want to leave all this pink. But there's a super huge one that I don't like. I don't know, let's leave it. See, it's pretty. I like that it has negative spaces and cells. I do not like that it may create a grade in there, but the colors that are coming from the cells are so gorgeous that it doesn't matter. You know, I can try to move it this way and disappear this ugly cell and all that, but I don't know what's going to happen. There's some ugly cells in there too. Maybe I should try. Let's do it. Slowly. Some of you are saying, no, leave it that way. A little bit. Yeah, that ugly cell can go to the side. Okay, now it's making them too large. I don't want to lose all that gray area because there's some gold cells in there. Only move that ugly cell to the end, that's it. And now I have to move those ugly white cells in there. You see them? But maybe I won't be able to do that without losing what I don't want to lose. They're getting super big, and they have some tint of gold, the cells, which is super pretty. Wish you could see it. I think I'm gonna leave it this way, guys. I do not like that cell in there, but I don't like to keep distorting my cells. What I do think I'm gonna do is I'm gonna touch a tiny bit in this side. I don't know if you can see. This is what I don't like in there. Should I continue moving it that way? Maybe. Why not? Is this what I don't like? I want to lose that. I do like this. I don't want to preserve that. And something is coming from there. What I don't like is this in here. So, but I love this. I don't want to lose that. Maybe moving it slowly. cells are starting to be misshapen. So I move back. Not able to remove that ugly cells. I have to, whatever happens to the cell, I have to remove that because I'm not going to be able to live with it. It's too ugly. So let's lose it, and we're going to be able to fix this as soon as we're done. We're going to move it back and reshaping the cells. Yeah, now we have to make the cells pretty again. Yeah, that's better. Now I'm gonna torch one more time in that pink area. So here are the dry pieces. These are gold cells in there. How pretty. This is one of them. Let me show you my favorite one. I love this one. I think this looks like if it was the horizon line and this was the sky and this was the ocean. I really like this one, the way it turned out. And this is a super easy way to start acrylic pouring, because the hardest part for acrylic pouring, I think, is the mixing, and the mixing the right recipe. And these paints are ready to pour. Have all the ingredients that you need except for the silicone that I added. So you just need to put them in a cup, add some silicone, and you don't really have to measure. I did because, you know, that way you know it was 1 drop per ounce. But you can estimate it has 3 ounces of paint. Let's put 3 drops. So I really think it is super pretty. This section here is my favorite part. It's the gold showing through, and you probably cannot see the gold shimmer, but especially in here, I can see some shimmering of the gold. I think it's super pretty.